Okay, hello, good day everyone. This is user Tape Trader 8. We'll be discussing about Forex trading strategy for this week, and we're going to have a discussion on how to do a strategy for Forex and gain profit from the pair, the major pair, which is the Bitcoin, gold, GBPUSD, EURUSD, and some other pairs. Okay, so this one I think will be a weekly based analysis. So if you have some question on daily basis, you can drop me in a comment, and I will see that if I can respond to that. Okay, and furthermore, if you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share to your friends, whether in platform of Forex or option or some other platform. But if you like, then please share it, the analysis. Thank you. Let's start. So basically we will start from the highlights last week's, that what's going to happen, what's already happened, and then what's going to happen next week. So basically on XAU USD or gold, last week there's some slight jump in US bond yield as it's shown in the chart, that make gold quite have some correction, which is to area 1340 area, while there are some pulling back sentiment towards gold, where it's expected some inflation may happen in US because of this inflation data, and some data related with the customer is already seeing some indication there will be some inflation in USA, which is this one makes the gold may be increasing again. Okay, so furthermore we will see that what's going to happen next. Not much on the US, I think. So basically we will have some OPEC meetings, and also Australian government monetary policy meetings, and some data statistics throughout the end or almost on Friday, which is in Euro, and for the French and German statistical data, which is the manufacturing data. If it is good, if the productivity increase, we will see some of the euro or euro pair will increasing, especially towards the USD. As per you probably know that US dollar right now still under turmoil, where there are a lots of sentiment that's not going to happen, which is the stimulus, and also inflation rate, and also some mixing news from the election that's going to happen in November. So let's start the technical chart in Bitcoin first. Okay, so Bitcoin, I think overall, if we see in monthly basis in here, right, if you see in monthly basis, I think the data is much more clearer if you put it or you pull it into major time frame. So if I pull the MA20 right here, and then if I saw the bounce back of the Bitcoin towards the US dollar, see we can see here that they going to go up, right, after it's been tested to this MA20, and then it's not going to go down again, and then after that in this candle we will see, in the monthly candle we will see that if they already tested this area, which is before it was a resistant to these pairs, and then now it's set to go up again. Please be careful that this one, because in recent week or on the Friday there are sideways on this pair, but I think overall they will eventually go to this 13683 area. Okay, so overall I think long position, it will be very beneficial for the trader to go in. However, the way where we can put it, the long position, that's another thing. Alright, if I can turn out to time frame 1 hour, okay, so if I can turn out to 1 hour time frame, I think the best way, if you have to wait to this area, which is 11685, to this area, and then wait to the pair to rebound again, and then after that, if it bounce or it goes through the 11932 and 12,000 area, then probably you can add in some more and then wait until go to this area. If not, then if you are day trader or scalping, then I think you should wait here, right? You should wait here, and then after that go to this area. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay, now for XAUUSD, I think on daily basis, this one is a strong supply area. If I can put it here in monthly time frame, right? This is a strong area. I think that's why it's a bit bouncy out there. Now, if it is go off this area or these boxes, then probably they will go to the 1736 or 1750. But if it is not remaining this week, because there is not much news coming week ahead, I think it will goes up again to 2025, and then if it is go through to 2082, which is that's the resistance, then after it bounce again, probably it's going to go to 2200. Okay, overall most of the fund manager and most of the institution probably say that it will go to 3500 or 3500 or 4000 area for XAUUSD. Okay, now for other area, as you can see, the dollar index, this is my friend bot. If you like to have this bot, you can contact me down below for the connection. For this dollar index, I think it still remains sideways, and then towards the major is going to be weakening trend, right? Still downtrend overall. So I think probably dollar will go to, we're going to test it again, the 92.5. Yeah, if it goes up again, if it goes down again, probably is going to reach out to 92. Okay, now furthermore, we can see that US dollar against yen probably also still going towards to the downtrend. I think if there is no stimulus ahead, then probably they go below to 106 and then towards area 105. Okay, so and then for US dollar, okay, as I say, hold on. Okay, for US dollar, I think it's going to go towards this area, which is 1.18 area, And then if it is happen, because if the manufacturing or the German have a good productivity, I think the euro against US dollar will be continuing its major uptrend, and then it may goes to 1.21 area. Okay, similar with the GBP, I think after the declaration of the reduction GDP, I think they're still quite strong, mainly because of the Brexit is already happening, and then the stimulus is going to happen, I think, and then against the weakened US dollar, I think GBP is still going to go strong again, and then going to go towards area 1.33 area right here. Okay, all right. Now if you want to do the scalping for pair GBP USD, I think it's a good timing. First, you can go here. I think it's a good what do you call it, good timing today, that they will get their strengthen again, probably to this area 131.26 or to this area. Okay, all right. Okay, that's all, guys. So I hope the strategy will help you to do a trading strategy a week ahead, and I wish you a profit, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye.